My experience with SME has been great.
Overall, I'd say my SME experience was very, very good.
A lot of documents were required in order to get here, but SME were extremely helpful in receiving the documents and handing them in.
Upon giving them the documents, they handled it very quickly and very professionally.
From the beginning, they've been providing us with a variety of information, from entry exams in the biology and chemistry portals that they have, SIM packages, how to set up bank accounts here, how to apply for a Bulgarian ID.
Once we arrived here, there was a team based at the university and they helped us apply for a residency and get apartments.
The student team were very friendly and are very good at helping us sort our accommodation out, getting our phone bills sorted, getting us registered at the university and showing us around the city.
I think Stara Zagora is a beautiful city. It is serene and calm and I love the atmosphere here. And lucky for me, my apartment is about 10 minutes away from the university, so every morning I don't have to walk too far to get to my classes.
I like how calm and relaxed the atmosphere is here, and everything is in walking distance, and if not, I can get a taxi, which is really cheap and easy. And in my free time, I go to the many restaurants, bars, cafes in the city with my friends.
I love the course personally, and I think anyone would love it as long as their heart is into it. You learn a variety of things. You'd see cadavers, you'd see microscope slides of certain samples and specimens, and you learn all sorts about the human biology. And for me, I love the sciences, and so this is perfect for me.
The professors are also very good. They speak a very good level of English and they're never hesitant to give you help when you ask for it. They provide adequate resources for you to learn the content, and because of their efforts, I find myself feeling very stable and very settled in this university.
I found the most difficult part about the move being not being with my friends from home. But I've made plenty of friends out here and in the process been exposed to many different cultures and ethnicities.
What I found difficult initially about the move is that I was in an unfamiliar environment away from home. However, I quickly adjusted to this and I came to love the independence that I got from here.
The best part of the experience for me so far has been meeting lots of different people, experiencing lots of different cultures and seeing how life works over here.
I found the best part of the experience has been a newfound independence. I can now look after myself a lot better than I could a few months ago.
I would say if you're looking to study in medicine, make sure you're 100% dedicated to the course and make sure you know what the outcome's going to be. When people graduate from medicine, they're very successful and the course is hard for a reason. So make sure that you're definitely invested in it, because there's a lot of time and a lot of hours that you're going to have to put in order to achieve the end goal that you desire.
If you're thinking of studying veterinary medicine or normal medicine, I say go for it. As long as you're fully interested, it is a great experience.
I would say you should definitely go for it if you have an interest in medicine or veterinary medicine, as you'll be studying your favourite things every day and they will definitely be the most memorable years of your life while doing so.